So why there are two arrows?
This is one
Why?
arrow. That is my arrow, my computer's arrow.
Then the other arrow?
It's in new computer's arrow. Huh? It's new computer's arrow.
Then, sir, do you have to use it by using the touchpad?
Yes, now.
So it's showing Windows 7 is this copy of Windows is not genuine.
Yes. No problem. We can activate it. That's what I want. I want you all to show that how to activate the Windows. If some matter. Right. It has network connection. It has everything. Now I'm going to put all the important icons to the desktop. Look at it. Right click on the free space of the desktop. Personalize. Change desktop icons. Tick, 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 tick. Right. Okay. Here, you all can see two hard disks. It's asking to format the particular hard disk. This is not accessible. So I'll format it. On among format කරලා පෙන්නන්න. අපි එක format නොකරමු when we because it has already in my external drive. Sometimes when you are formatting the particular portion, it might format all the other data in my hard disk. Therefore, I'm not going to format it. මම ඒක දැන් format කරන්න යන්නේ, right? Okay, here this is the this is the computer after the installation. This is a computer after the installation. අපේ installation එකෙන් පස්සේ computer එක තමයි මේ තියෙන්නේ. ඔන්න. සෙනුල? Understood now?
Yes.
Everything are here. Games. Hardware acceleration is disabled. We have to put the video drive also because the particular video driver is not compatible with this. My document folder also there. We only can put a text document here because we didn't install Office 2000 there. But still it doesn't have Office. We have to install Office for that. Right. This is the method that we are installing Windows. Now understood everything to everybody.
Understood, sir.
Senula?
Understood, sir.
Tenuka run में?
Understood, sir.
Yes. Senuka වැඩේ කලින් කරන්න. Huh? It's clear now?
Understood, sir.
Yeah, okay. Then අපි recording දැම්මද? Did we put recording?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's
Yeah. It's there. It's there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. මොකද නැත්නම් අර දරුවට බලන්න බැරි වෙනවනේ. Right. Senula, you requested early one recording, but I really sorry. The particular recording is not available on that day. While we are doing this class, the same class, my external hard drive has crashed. All the software has been loosened. Right? ඒ නිසා ඒක මුකුත් නැහැ. ඒ recordings නැහැ පුතේ. හොඳයි. ඒ නිසා ඒ දවසේ මට දෙන්න විදියක් නැහැ පුතාට. ඉදිරියව මම
Okay, sir, no
දෙනවා. Right?
problem.
ලොකු ප්‍රශ්නයක්. තාම මේ data හොයනවා. සවිර?
Excuse me, sir. Is there a problem when installing cracked version of Microsoft Word?
No. No matter.
Okay, sir.
ඉතින් මමත් පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ cracked එකක් තමයි. ඉතින් මේ මම පාවිච්චි කරන එක තමයි මම ඔයාලට එවන්නේ.
Okay, sir.
I'm also using Office 10.
Sir, can you send it today?
Sure. I'll send the link. After the class, I'll send the link to you and send. No problem. Then you can download it.
Also, my license expired today. Office
You had
365.
Office 365, ne?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'll send the link to you also. Then you can download it and do the installation. I'm not going to do it now, Anu. Okay? It's up to you. Then what about it? How you know that? Huh? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay. Then I think it's time to wind up now. And then next Monday, we will continue this lesson by installing another additional software to this. It means Office and another few more softwares. Also, we have to license this OS. May OS එක අපි license කරන්න ඕන. I'll teach you that how to do that. Then by writing all the steps, we can end the Windows learning about Windows session on. I supposed to end it on next Monday. Then thereafter, we have to jump up to the new section. That is also very interesting. එකත් හරි interesting එකක්. අපි දැන් මේ we are learning about operating systems. It means we are learning about system software. Remember that. Now, have you all know what are system softwares? අපි කතා කරා. System software කියන්නේ මොනවද කියන ඒවා කතා කරා. දැන් මතකත් නැතුව.
Remember, sir.
සවිර? Do not remember. Remember only this. Isn't it? සවිර? අපි system software ගැන කතා කරා. මතකද? We have categorized software, system software, application software. Remember that. We just finished. We are just finishing system software. Understood? Remember that. Savida? Others? Senuka? Senula? Mataka?
Remember, sir.
So first of all, the other thing is when you are coming on next Monday to the class, keep in mind to revise early lessons. Revise most recent early lessons. මේ ළඟම තියෙන පරණ lessons ටික බලන්න. Revise most recent early lessons, right? Okay. Then I'm going to say goodbye to everybody now. First, we'll shut down this. Okay. Now it's time to say goodbye to everybody. I'll stop share this. Then we'll meet on coming Monday. Have a nice day to you all. Please stay safe. Good afternoon, everybody. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. We'll meet on.
Goodbye, sir.
Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Goodbye, sir.
Okay, Puta.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Stay safe, sir.
Okay, Puta.
Yes, sir. Thank you for lesson.
Okay.
සර් මේ
ඔව් පුතා.
කම්පියුටර් එකට පස්සක් නැති වෙයිනේ.
මොකද්ද?
අර දාපු එකට
දාපු එකට කියන්නේ?
වර්ඩ් දැන් වර්ඩ් දාලා දුන්නාම ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැති වෙයිනේ සර් නේ.
නෑ. එහෙම ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. වර්ඩ් දාලා ඉතින් ඔයා පොඩ්ඩක් ටයිප් සෙටින් කරලා පොඩ්ඩක් ටයිප් කරලා එහෙම බලන්න. වර්ඩ් එක ඕපන් කරලා Excel ඕපන් කරලා ඒ ටික කරලා බලන්න. right? Okay?
Okay sir.
Right. Okay, Puta. Then we'll meet on Monday. Bye bye.
Bye sir.
Bye, Puta.